Hello friends, in this video I'm going to take you through the process you can follow to download EOD data from NSE BSE websites and upload them to Metastock and AMI broker applications for EOD charting and technical analysis. Metastock and AMI broker are most widely used tools for technical analysis of stocks, shares, securities. However, before we can use these applications, we need to have a subscription for getting price data, which can be very costly. In this video, I'll take you through the process you can follow to use daily Bhav copies from NSE BSE websites to get EOD price data in Metastock or AMI broker just using MS Excel or any other spreadsheet application. So we'll quickly take you through how you can download Bhav copies from BSE websites. So within BSE, you can go to bseindia.com and go to market section and go to the section for Bhav copies. From this section, you can download Bhav copies for the current day or the latest Bhav copy, or you can also refer to this section to download any of the historical Bhav copies. Similarly, you can go to NSE website and go to market data, and you can also download Bhav copies as a part of daily report for the latest reports or the current reports, or you can also go to archives and download the Bhav copies for any historical date. The Bhav copies from both these websites looks very similar. They will have similar set of data included in the Bhav copies. What we need to do is we need to convert the format in these Bhav copies to a format which can be uploaded into the Metastock or AMI broker applications. So this is a sample file which I have already created based on the details that we have in the downloaded Bhav copies. So what we need is, first we need to map the script name under the column ticker. So we need to copy all the script name within the header ticker. Then we need to copy high, open, high, low, close. These details from the Bhav copy to the template that we are using. Again, we need to copy number of shares traded to volume, and we need to create a field with date in the format YYYYMMDD. Once we have once we have the price data in this format, we can upload this in AMI broker or Metastock. This format can be used for both Metastock and AMI broker. Now I'll take you through how you can upload these details in AMI broker. So this is the AMI broker charting applications. To import the data, you need to go to import wizard within file menu, and we need to select the files. Let's say we have file downloaded and converted into the required format. We'll select the file and click on open. Click on next. Once the file is selected, here we can map all the fields that we had. We had ticker, open, high, low, close, volume, date. High, we need to select high. Column 4 has low, we need to select low. Column 5 has close, we need to select close. Column 6 has volume, we need to select volume. Column 7 has date, we need to select date in the correct format, which is YMD. Once we have selected all the mapping correctly based on the data that we have in the formatted file, we need to select the separator, and if there is a specific group to which you want to add these scripts, you can select that, or we can keep as it is. Then we need to click on next. Now these settings can be saved, but since we already have this setting, we will not override that. If required, you can go ahead and save these settings. Once you have these settings saved, you can straight away go to import ASCII menu within file, and just select the CSV file that we formatted and click on open. AMI broker will start importing the data from the file you selected. Once the import is complete, AMI broker will generate the log. You can go through the log if you see that there are errors. So this error is related to the header that we had in the file that we imported. Otherwise, there are no errors. That means AMI broker was able to import all the records correctly. So this is the way you can import any of the NSE or BSC data into AMI broker. Now we will take you through how you can import the same set of data to Metastock. So to import the price data into Metastock, we need to go to the downloader and click on the menu Convert Securities. In the source, we need to select the ASCII text and select the file where we had the formatted data. Under options, we need to ensure that we have selected the correct date range and periodicity as daily, since we are importing daily end of the day data. We can also enter the maximum errors or the maximum warnings which downloader should consider while converting this data. Then we need to select the folder where we have the Metastock files which we need to upload or update. Then we need to click on OK. Metastock will start importing the price data from the file that we selected, the text file, the CSV file that we selected, to the Metastock format. We are importing data for 10th of June. If we go to Metastock, the script that we have selected is Asian Paints, which is updated till 9th of June. If we refresh this, we will see the data has been imported for 10th June also. So that's how you can import price data from NSE or BSC websites to AMI broker or Metastock. Again, Metastock is bit slow compared to AMI broker. Once we have this entire process completed for all the scripts, Metastock downloader will also show a summary of all the errors. Yep, processing is done. And these are the scripts where a downloader had difficulties in importing the price data. We can click on details for this and we will have the detail of the error which the downloader encountered. If we see that none of these are relevant for our analysis, we can close this and ignore them, and we can continue using the data in Metastock. All of those should have been updated. So that's the way we can go ahead and import NSE or BSC daily end of the day data from NSE BSC websites to AMI broker and Metastock.